Let's dive into some of the more complex but really powerful ways and things you can do in a post in a channel in Teams. You can see here that on my screen, I have a checklist. So one option and one thing I can do in a channel is do a checklist that's simple and quick, but the whole team can see it. And at any stage, someone can go to that checklist and tick off an item when it's done. How did I create my checklist? Well, I go down to starting a new conversation in this area here, and where you see all the icons, I go all the way across to the three dots. And for that one, I clicked on checklist. It's really easy to create a simple checklist in here just by giving it a name and putting your checklist items. So finalize business strategy. What would my items be? Think about strategy. Finalize it as a quick basic example. I clicked next and you'll see this now post in the team. So really useful way to gather data, communicate with all the members, and for anyone to tick off when they've done any of the actions. So that's a checklist, posting it within a team channel. Scrolling a bit further up here, you'll see some other aspects and things you can do. One is a form. So I created a poll about takeaway food using Microsoft Forms. You can see here that I did a post that was the poll. I also requested it to do a second post that was the ongoing data so everyone could see the results. So again, you go to start a new conversation, across to the three dots, and for that one I click on Forms. I can then simply select the question and some options for people to answer and save and put it as a post in the channel. So going down here to your starting a new conversation zone and clicking on those dots, you will see that you have things like a checklist and forms, and then other things like Polly or Quizlet or some different apps in here. But these ones are great for capturing data across the team, working out loud, getting the information and sharing it with each other in your team space.